Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a very simple inverter circuit built using only two power transistors. This inverter is built using two TIP31 power transistors. Each transistor is rated for 3 amps and 100 volts, which makes it suitable for low-power inverter applications. The circuit works in a push-pull configuration. When one transistor turns on, the other turns off, creating an alternating current in the transformer. The base current is limited by the resistors, and it can be estimated using this formula. IB equals VCC minus 0.7 divided by R. This helps protect the transistors and keeps the circuit stable. In this test, a 220-volt, 8-watt lamp is connected as the load, and as you can see, it lights up successfully. One of the biggest advantages of this circuit is its simplicity. No ICs, no PWM controller, and very few components are required. However, the output waveform is not a pure sine wave. Efficiency is also limited, and power losses in the transistors can be significant. This simple circuit is great for learning how basic inverters work. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.